Chapter 2. Get used to the pain. Welcome to the suck. Generation Kill. I honestly believe that some pain produces growth. I think the longer you can sustain pain, a few things will happen. You'll get used to the pain and live in that specific area of discomfort and grow. Your skin will become thicker, your thoughts sharpener, and your mind becomes mentally fit, allowing you to discern from the bullshit. In war, you get a second win and you're able to create a higher optimal output regardless of what shitty situation you are in, because there is no choice. Ask yourself, why are you in pain? Why do you excel so well in painful situations? I found myself in many painful situations in my life. Anywhere from living on my brother's couch, not having a job, not able to find a job, losing everything, and struggling to obtain business. In all of these moments of pain, I could feel something pushing me to keep moving forward. Much like in the army and the military training, you will go through pain for growth. In basic training, you're expected to perform at a certain level and learn through the means of pain development. In AIT SOY, there are more training and evolutions of pain to ensure you can perform at another level and set of standards. RIP and INDOC is again to ensure you have what it takes to perform at a specific level. SFQC also provides another platform in which you have a chance to test your grit, will, and mental fortitude. The other branches have their own as well. Marines have Force Recon, Navy has SEALs, BUD-S, Air Force has TAC-Ps and PJs. Even PSD, Private Security Detail, there are different teams and levels of teams such as ERT, Emergency Response Team, SRT, Special Reaction Team, and Special Assignments. As you can see, all these evolutions and phases are built upon another. The more pain you can endure, the more likely success ratio. No matter how much pain I was in, how much crap I had to eat, in the sleepless hours, I never bitched or complained. I knew that 1, that was the fastest way to defeat myself, and 2, in some way this was helping me. This was a process of pain development, and I didn't know it at that time. Interview with Daniel, owner of Grunt Style. Everything you do is painful. It is going to suck. Get to it and just deal with the suck. Surround yourself around people that will help you get through the pain and keep you on track. Be humble. Learn from others and upgrade yourself as much as you can from those pains of truth. Interview with Tyler, one of the owners of 18 Series Nutrition. It is a rough situation and a steep learning curve. Be prepared to react and push through the pain. When it gets painful, your dedication and focus will help you persevere. It comes down to how bad you want to see your company succeed. Interview with Brett and Ben, owners of American Grains. Pain equals pleasure. We learned after 3 failed businesses, pain is part of the process, and is a matter of putting your head down and getting through the pain point. There was regression which resulted in the progression of our business. Tactical exercise. 1. Looking at your current situation, can you identify the pain, the root cause of the pain? 2. Are you going to get used to the pain and develop from it? What action can you take right now to make the pain stop?